I said we're gonna put it on. Am I recording? Yeah. That's all. That's the clip. Just like that. Point blank. Period. I'm not trying to do. I'm just gonna do a lot of vlog. So that's it.
Hey y'all, so we made it. And we did make it before our check-in time. I'm not going to be hollering in the lobby because I am in the lobby and there's people here waiting for their rooms too. So anyhow, I just wanted to check in on you guys, know that we made it safe here. Check-in time is at 4. I think it's a little bit after 4 now. Oh, so we still have time before we check in. We are going to go up to the room and I'm going to show you guys what the room looks like. We definitely don't have our view as we hoped we would have had, but it's okay, we're going to make the best of it. The beach is across the street, we're going to have to walk to the beach, but that's alright.
It's been done all the way on the other side.
Yeah, the beach, we still have to walk, but it's not really tragic or nothing.
Yeah, and then you can get on chair and stuff like that.
Yeah, so they do have valet parking and all that other stuff, so that was good.
Kind of ghetto, but
it's a little bit ghetto as far as the parking is concerned, but we're just gonna make it work. So far so good. What we're seeing in the lobby is fine. Hopefully the room is just as fine, but we're gonna go and have a good time and have something to eat. We're gonna show you as much as we can, and I am in Miami Beach, y'all, on the strip, just in case you guys want to know. What the name of the hotel again? I don't remember the name of the hotel is what the soul maker know later. I'll put it in the right here or in the description or somewhere. But anyhow, it is what it is. So we're basically sitting here waiting to be checked in. I got my suitcase here. Daughter has hers here. And that is how the lobby kind of looks here. And as you can see, there's people that's waiting to be checked in as well. Okay. So, your girl is feeling herself today. Haven't felt myself for a minute, but I'm feeling myself today. So, now go soon. As soon as I get checked in on everything else, I'm gonna go ahead and give a little tour of the room. I'm not gonna know what everything look like, right? So I'm gonna soon back in a few minutes. Alright, so your girl is back to wrap up this video. Let's wrap it up, y'all. Now, last time I see me did that check-in, right? We tell us to meet me in the room. We got tour the room. Let's just say I'm so disappointed. We are so disappointed with the entire turnout of the room. Yeah, I'll give them a very bad review. We did not get a glass view We get a little mad window view. The view what we have, all you see is people going back and forth, cars going back and forth, noise going back and forth, okay? The floor in the room, the carpet is dirty, okay? And now, man, you know this is a 5-star hotel, you know. Let me talk about the condition first. So that we want to run, okay? When I'm telling you, we spot this day. The carpet is dirty. You definitely get no view of the beach. Where the hotel is located is across the street. Let's say a block away from the beach, maybe more. When you come out, you have to go walk across the street and walk on the other way before you even glimpse the beach in a sight. So it's very misleading. There's no window view of nothing. All you're seeing is just buildings and people going back and forth and cars. It's a kind of a Manhattan type of a view type thing, right? No, me I look through the window right now, I not see no beach, I not see no wave, I not see nothing people. Okay? Besides, people are go back and forth and car and all kind of thing. Total disappointed. The room is an understatement. And when I said 5-star, 5-star. All the pictures where them put up on them website was misleading. Pictures from different places where them used. The man that was checking us in at the front desk, he was like, I told them management to take those pictures down. Misleading people, misleading. Now let's talk about money. The room, we got the room for 5 days, right? Altogether, the room costs $1,800 for 5 days. We're going to be here. $1,800. So we basically paid for something that didn't exist. Now, let's talk about parking, right? After them charge with the $1,800, now they charge us an additional $35 every day for parking. They charge them guests $35 every day for parking, people. The bathroom, we're going to show you a little bit of we're disappointed bad. But I'm going to show you some things. To make me know, say, do not come to this place, okay? Do not come to this place. Let me take a look at the room. Alright, so this is the bathroom, right? And this is a 5-star hotel. You see that? That's the bathroom. I don't even want to touch on it in the place, so that's how disgusting the place is. Look on the bathroom floor. This is how the bathroom floor look. This is how the wall look in the bathroom. Nasty and disgusting. People, I don't even want to bathe. Take a shower, I never want my foot to touch ground. Watch it. We talk about nasty. I never know if I come that juice. I don't know what that is, but that look like something very thick. I don't know what that is. This is the toilet. Alright. You guys saw? Not look too bad, but look at the ground. That right there saw is all dirt. Okay? All dirt. Nasty. Nasty. Let me see how this look, people. That don't look too bad. That don't look too bad. But all around the place I saw, all of that, that's whatever it is. Look at this, people. Watch it. You see that? Nasty. All that is stained. Look at the counter. See that? Them never clean up nothing. Whatever that is, don't ask me. Look there. The place is a hot mess. Hot mess. Now, when you come in, these are all stained. On the carpet, dirty. Look at this. You see all of them there? Them they are stains. But then the kind of stain they come from are dirt or whatever. Don't ask me. Now them give you two little bed. Like the two bed them not too bad. And over the some not too bad. But only God will never know what going on them two little bed there. Now, look out upon this. You see how this? They might need for dashing of the trash. You can tell this is all stained. Look at all of that. Look at the carpet here, people. Look at this. You see that? Only not come at that place here. Don't come at that place here. Now this are the view what we say we are paying for, right? No beach, people. All you see a building across. You see tell me if you not see a beach, if you not see a wave, anyway. Right? I do not see a building. See them then? And people and car. I go back and forth. See that? People and car go back and forth. Nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Talk about ghetto. I hate this right or so. Alright? Alright peeps, I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video right here and go find something to eat because the girl is having an excruciating headache right now. We're just not very happy or pleased. We're going to try our best to make the best of this 5 days, y'all. 5 days. So nasty the place. Anyway, I love you guys. You guys rock. Peace. Like, share, subscribe, alright?